Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, today I want to show you a flaw in my Ryobi string trimmer here. It's the 18 volt model. It's the brushless. It comes with this little tool here to help you wind up your string without taking the spool off and everything. But over time, this right here wears out. I'll show you a closer picture of it here in a minute. But I want to show you a way that you don't even have to use this. Okay, you can see in the picture here, this thing's wore down. If you put your tool on here, it doesn't grip like it needs to. You can't use it like this. You have to hold it down like this right here to turn it. But let me show you another way. Now we gotta line this up. Line this line up with the hose here so we can stick our string through it. We're doing this the same way we did before. Okay, once you get your string through there, put your ends together so you can even them up. Okay, once you got your string lined up so it's even on each end, all you gotta do is push in and turn. So there you go. You don't even need to use that tool. But they do make these right here replacements for it if you want to do it the other way. But I hope this helps somebody out. As always, thanks for watching, guys.